Good afternoon, everybody, and I'm Councillor Martin Jones, the Mayor of the County Borough of Bridgend. I'm absolutely delighted to be here at the FRF Motor Show here at Bridgend. In the showroom, there are some incredible cars here, some new, some old, some modern, some classic, and it's really delightful to be here.
Hi, I'm Lisa Marie Brown, also known as Ping, and I supercar vlog, and I absolutely love everything about supercars. This supercar is a world exclusive. It's a McLaren 600 LT. It does 0 to 120 in 6 seconds, and it's super fast. It's built lightweight with all aerodynamics in the car, and it's built for the track, but it's road ready. So I'm really excited to own and drive this amazing vehicle.
The 2008 Chrysler 300C. I bought it 11 years ago, standard, and I've done all the work on it myself. I've had various changes, but I decided on this after seeing California Highway Patrol. I'm keen on America, but it's all vinyl, all done by myself, and the letters are all cut by myself. Engine is basically standard. The wheels are 19-inch rather than the standard 20-inch. It's an SRT design, the model. The lights work, the sirens work, and I get a lot of people noticing it.
Owen Fenton. It's a Mark III Fiesta 1995, so it's one of the last Mark IIIs they made. It's originally a 1.1, but it's got a 2-litre Focus ST170 engine in now. I've only had it about 4 months, but it weren't built tidy, so I had to finish everything else off on it. Rewire the whole car, new clutch, rebuilt the gearbox. That's about it really, I've done since I've had it. Put another seat in it, sorted all the welding underneath it.
My name's Nick. Bought the car 10 days ago up in Shepperton in London. It's a do-me up. It's running badly, but it's running. It's just a project to keep me on the pub. I do know a fella at Big Kite who was pretty good on, well, apparently he's very, very good on Mark IIs. So hopefully he can give me some advice. And just always been a Jaguar lover.